Good morning and welcome back again. Today we are going to talk about another things in chapter 14 in your Thomas Calculus's book. Is about tangent plane. You know, in Calculus 1, when we have, for example, we talk about function. After the function, we talk about the limit of the function. After the limit, we talk about the derivative. After the derivative, we talk about integral, if you remember, in Calculus 1, right? Calculus 2 the same or like a complementary to each other. So the in advanced calculus or Calculus 3 is the same strategy. We have the same steps. We are going one by one. And if you remember in the Calculus 1, when you talk about derivative, when you say we have a derivative of something, directly we remember that we are talking about small derivative, slope, normal derivative, tangent, right? So the same thing is true for here. If you remember, here in advanced calculus, we say that we have a tangent, we have a derivative. But in the derivative here, it was many things different here. For example, we have, if you remember, partial derivative, right? Directional derivative, grad derivative. So we have many application here. That's why. And of course, we talk about the total derivative normally used for finding velocity and things, all about that one. So here, of course, as well, we have a tangent. But you know, tangent of here is different with the others one. Because in calculus, when we have a just line, we have a curve, we talk about tangent line. Here, in advanced calculus, we have, for example, some cylinder, some sphere. We talk about tangent, maybe the plane is the tangent, maybe is one line we have a tangent, we have a one line. So we have many things here. Clear? Can you compare in your mind what we have before, what we had, what's going on now? So that's why maybe sometimes you confused when you say fx, grad x. So because we are in the space, we are in the space. That's why. Is that clear as an introduction, Kaka? Good. Now we have what? We have tangent plane. We have a tangent plane. We have a plane. We have a plane and we have a tangent of the plane. Maybe plane over plane. Just they have a tangent for each other. So in that case, our rule will be what? Fx, x minus x naught, fy, f sub y, I mean, grad of y, like that. Sorry. Fz, z minus z naught is equal to 0. That's called tangent plane equation. So we have a tangent plane. Okay, for what? For w, x, y, z, we call w is equal to something at the number. At which point? At the point of x, y, and z naught. This is the phase. Is that clear? Good. Then at the same time, if I have a W and there's a plane, touch the plane, tangent to the plane, so of course we will have normal line. If you see in the example, look at here, we have a normal line as well. This is the V1, V2 comes from intersect or tan or the blue one with the gray or the light brown one. So of course these one they have what? They have normal line as well. So we have a normal line to the W at the same point, which will come from the points and the derivative and t. Points, derivative by y and t, and go on. This is like a theory, like a rule. Okay, now we are going to apply this one. We are going to talk about a real example. find what tangent plane TP. Okay, for W. Sorry. Okay. Legal. خوي اتوان بلا من why because عاده normal line شو درسته بو two vector cross كان ونيا normal درسته به جام دو vector لشو هاتبه لدو plane وهاتبه من دستم لقال إيرا normal درسته كا هذا دستم لقال بورده كا normal درسته كا ياد ليرة cross دوانم كده به normal درسته به so دستي باشا طبعا اگر مبسط intersect line دو plane به بله او فرقی ونيا so we have a function W. We have a point. I think it's time to what? To choose or to apply TP rule, tangent plane rule. Basha kaka. So we see that tangent plane is equal to what? Fx, Fy, Bajnia. Then what? We say tangent plane equal to fx طبعا لبوينت هكذا x minus x naught fy y minus y naught fz z minus z naught equal to 0 أما plane كمان so fx is equal to what in this example 2x x minus 1 2y y minus 1 minus 2 sorry x naught y naught z naught plus fz only 1 z minus 4 clear 2x la point akat chanakat at the point 1 y at 2 z at 4 so I'll get 2 multiply x minus 1 plus 4 y minus 2 z minus 4 equal to 0. Is that clear, Jamaat? Hello? Shall I repeat it? Yes, sir. Our rule ka our fx la point yaka our fy la point 2 our era fz la point 4 كردويتي يك بيلمو كاكا understood good باش so أي normal أجا معه هو you can see from here طبعا ما أبي الرقم أنا عفوا أما fx وشتكانا من بسريعي جبجي مكرو 2 4 1 ونيا وتالي ردينا تو 2x minus 1 يشبه I و J كان نية تو أني x خود بيدوزي تو so 4y minus 2 1 z minus 4 الأخيرة أمد دسكة how 2x minus 2 4y minus 8 1z minus 4 equal to 0 2x 4y plus z رقم كان يجبر أولي minus 2 minus 10 minus 14 وايا أبو بتشي tangent plane أقد يقد بيو خوي تشيا plane يا equation of the plane ونيا am I right أتوين normal أغاني لي ورقري clear أنا ما أخوين so now هسا أختي تشيا هذه قدبة sorry أو نمبر أنا بكارين مو كاتي تشيا plane, normal line, right? Normal line. So how we get it? Normal line say x naught plus for x naught is equal to what? وكو vector أكانوا so v1 t توني وافلي بلام vm لكيو هنا توني n1 من نعلم n1 why n1 to remember that this is the difference between the others one to remember that we bring it from the plate it's normal أو أنا normal أكانوا so adam x is equal to x naught was 1 plus here's 2t how about y we say is equal to 2 x naught I can multiply them 1 2 4 2 multiply what 2 multiply 4t and z equal to what z equal to 1 plus 4t تمام تمام كان 4 plus 1t عفوا any question everything is clear dears تمام جان فرم بله باش چوار وای اخرامت چواره برده میچ نه دو وای سيكا نسيما شي نسيما 2y y minus 2 ببونمونه ام y لخوار اشتكم نسيما 2 شكوت مان شي يا ساقال شي علي fx لبوينت يكا x minus x naught باشا plus علي fy لبوينت يكا y minus y naught اما علي من fx كم ونكتب 2x لخالي چنا لخالي يكا كاتبه بچن x كا اكاتك 2 كرت يك 2 بو نسيما x minus 2 يك exactly شون نا بوينتك دراوا بوينتك اميا 1 2 4 تيجي اسا واي بو 2000 علم اف واي قاتا چن ببي قاعده كتب 2 واي بس لخالي چنا لخالي 2 كاتا 2 كرتي 2 شو انجا لتنيج او نسيما واي minus 2 clear good اوج normal چرا دوت يجيش do you have any question اما زياده بالنسبه منه for example that one is extra for me because I know fx at point يتشنقا بيز ناقا بيكن با I و J دو باشا كاكا كاتا امو اما جرينجن understood question اوج ياساكا اها لكيو هناتي ليرو هناتي ولكيو هناوا ليرو كاتا تو دو ايشه fx y زيادة دوزيتوا x minus نقطة y minus نقطة دواي أو ريزلتا بكارين من كوا للاينا كا any question sorry لا والله ما قالي أما فرمي أما الزيادة بالنسبة منه كاك أما الزيادة كتابك أبراين يعني نعم إيشي من دوزني اف اكس تبغى شيء اي بودانم خم باسي جرادم نقل كردي اگر جرادم is yes اف اكس واي جراد اوف اف اكس اي ابي اصلا ابي دايني غلط داينني جي اف زد كي بلا من لي باسي شي كم باسي دوزني اف اكس كم كلير سوتم اف اكس او انا دانمو تيجيشن او ستيب زي بشكل ضروري بس زي يعني اي جي كيم بو من بكاريني ناتو am I right you cannot use it again so why بس انا توتي بزان اف اكس واي با فير ببي علاقه شي بجراد طبعا any question dears yes so we have what we have pt tp man target pt what's the difference between pt and tp tp we saw w equal to something we find and at what? At x, y, and z naught. Oman zani. Essayna search GPT. Plane tangent to a surface. I'm sorry, surface ekam here. Plane iki berekewe. Do plane near. Okay. So how we find that one? Look at here. The same rule. بس ودي ولا امتحانه. The same rule. fx, x max, fy, y minus y naught. But we don't have what? We don't have fz. Okay? Good. So we have what? fz. fz. So is equal to what? fz. And yet different here. What's the difference? أولولا زائد fz بو ليرة minus. Careful. Oh, why? Because if you see in the PT, to memorize it. The plane tangent, we are talking about 2 dimensions. Lera z here, w منية. How about TP, tangent plane? We have a w equal to w equal to something, right? So we need to be careful. Okay, find the tangent plane, or plane tangent, sorry, to the z equal to this one. Okay, at 0, 0. Is that clear, the question? Hello? Question is clear, right? So I want a plane tangent, and I have a surface, like a z. So I know fx is clear. Fx is equal to what? Cosine y and minus y e to power x at 0. So 0, 0, I'll get 0. So cosine 0 equal to 1. Shall I repeat it? I think that was easy. How about f sub y? Yalla jamaat. F sub y minus sine y e to power x at 0. Tan 0, 0. At 0, I'll get 0 or tau. I got a minus e to power 0 minus 1. fx, fy. Tipe is not IUJ done, right? We don't need. Good. Yes, I can done here. fx, x minus x naught, y plus fy, هو زعلم, y minus y naught minus z minus z naught. كذا أما minus. أيوة minus اللي شو how from the f sub y. Our result of plane يكون. This again, you know, this is the plane. So it's called PT. Clear, dears? Now, example number 3 has good idea. And it's important. Listen to the question. Can you tell me what's going on? The surface W. Okay, we have the surface. And our meet an ellipse. Okay. تعال surface هنا كي شلونه؟ شكله كي شلونه؟ The shape. Cylinder. And plane ديارة لاينة هونيا linear أمانة linear بنت من plane man here, you know the equation of the plane. They are meet each other. بوريك the big يو أنا. Yes. So with the plane meet our meter our meter هونيا and we meet each other. بريء تشكوي كعب يقول لك cutting. So the knife is the plane and the bottle is the cylinder, right? So find what? Find parametric equation. I know parametric equation is what? Is T. Parametric equation is what? Is V x naught Vt, right? Y equal to Y naught V2T, and go on. So find that one. For what? Okay, for what? For tangent line, or line of tangent, to E at the point. So I have an ellipse. They are cutting. If you cut something, you'll get an ellipse here, because we are cutting like that cylinder to this circle. If you cut it like that, you'll get ellipse. You know what I mean? اگر رك بي بري سيركل هيك دسك دبه وانيا اگر خوار بي بري تمي دبكاي بشي بقلبسك بشيوه هلكيه كواتا الرسمه شابيبينا. We have a cylinder, we have a G امس امس ايفا امس جي امش بريبتي شي دروس كردو البسكي دروس كردو امش ايه متعملين ايه انفسيوتي ايه so چیەکەین ئێستا ئاڵێ بێ زەحمەت چیم بۆ بدۆزەرەوە find what? Find the tangentێک ئەلەم ئلیپسە the tangent ئەم tangentە of what? Of the cutting place, of the meeting place. ئەو دوانێک نابڕن ئەمە شەی پێ دروست ناکەن بێ زەحمەت ئەو tangentەم بۆ بدۆزەرەوە. So we don't have anything, we just have two equations of the surface, cylinder and plane, and one point. كاتبي بخوين تو بجواني زي باسي تشيكا. The tangent line is orthogonal to both. أو tangent line من يدوزمو أمان لسر إيه فكابي أجر مثلا cylinder كم هبي أما tangent يكيبيا أماش جي كم بي أمش تانجنتيكي هبه أوي كروزي أو دوانا چی دركا شتيك أوا دسكي so أوا parallel أبي بو لايني كداوايك so the grad of here is the orthogonal of F, the grad of here is orthogonal to G, كروزي أو دوانا شتيكي أوا مياتي so that's why أبي بيخوين تو براسي و solution كي بيتي بكي the tangent line is orthogonal to both MO. So P naught. كواتالن شيء أنا V كم كاتا the V is equal to what? Cross of grad of V equal to grad of F cross grad of G. Why? Because we know normal line come from where? From dot or from cross. وأنا U V أما U أو V. We say the cross is what? U cross V is the normal line. Do you remember that? So we need a vector is like that. So our vector will be the result of the cross. Cross of what? Cross of the grad. Why? Because we know the cylinder that we have أو cylinderيها معنا مش أنا بنوسي لأخو normally am gradi إفا هروها plane يكم هي normally of أو is grad of G so cross يو دواناكم حتما cross يكم دستكه clear تعالى هدفك چيا why we are going to do so كاتا بيسم بچه grad F grad G لو point يا وديارة I think it's easy then V ديانم cross grad F grad of G أو result هم دستكه أو بو بچين أو بو V يكم كوا V1 أو V1 V2 or V3 for what? For using what? Line, parametric line. Do you remember? Parametric. So we say parametric V naught, sorry X naught V1T or V1 2 Y naught V2T Z naught V3T. Did you get it or not? Dears? Half. Maybe half. anyway. Notagan benusa, please. Review it at home 2 times, then come back to me if you didn't get it. We have a plane, we have a bottle, cylinder, cut it, they meet. Meet means that intersection. You can write instead of meet here, meet aqui no símbolo. When they say meet, means that intersect. Intersect in an ellipse. So find what? Find parametric equation of the line tangent to E. أو كتا parametric equation كين بول دوزره. إمج نازم بدوز مو حتى نم اشتكم دزنك do line. So how we get the lines? Normal, grad, then cross them, then you will get it. Any question?